So Milialo Buma lo West Kwaio for the Ofi Tribal Reconciliation ceremony, and as you can see behind me, the tribal Ofi no ota assemble and ready for Matskolo main stage where hemlo Saichi where ota still waiting ota guest for arrive and pokata ve machi mot go down and also behind me ota cultural dance ota young Pikinini lo Ofi ready for escotimota. That's part of Malaita culture. It's escotimota in a cultural dance. So yeah, so wait for other guest arrive and some escotimota go down. Yeah, and it's a rainy day lo Buma. Regardless of the weather, other people there still stand up, and other tribal members and ready for Matskolo main program in it.
Originally, I'm not yellow.
Yellow, okay.
Yeah. Then place of distribution na I'm behind over there.
So island
Yeah, island.
overload tribe there. Okay.
Yeah. Then from there distribution just go over the other sector. Other sector breakdown go.
So the two main one yellow.
Yeah, main one yellow. Then go to this one.
Island.
Then from there I'm go break low another one water.
Triple.
Come Kasim.
Yeah. So the tribe connect around the Malaita.
Yeah, to connect them. Lot of Pikinini. Everyone. Whole island. Yeah.
So how many tribes altogether?
14 from 14 now. 14 now beginning with the 14 for Pikinini. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Where spread go low north, spread go low south, spread go low Kwarais.
So
Spread go low. Look at the other.
regional Malaita.
Yellow regional Malaita.
See. Yeah. But the main one.
Mo kata 14 fala kata Pikinini. Kamar Lord Salamin.
Okay. Yeah, I think match start na. Yeah, so drum beat low down lo Saichi too. While waiting for the hearts go down. So yeah, so as you can see, the tribes of the Matskalo stage there for the main program, whereby you may hear speeches from tribal representative, provincial government representative, from the ministry as well, and and other invited guests. So the Kastom that for the young boys. So main tribe na talo Ofi na di sa yellow bana. So now every tribe will assemble for main program now, and the drum beat will still go. So after drum beat finish, then main program happen. By pata game remarks from guests were from provincial government, national MP with him delegation blame, with him tribal representatives and other invited guests were come law program. And now this fella program end, and it's really good to hear him the brief overview of history of Ofi tribe. It's really good for him that Ofi tribe connect with him Mahira and Gwale as well, and also all the parts from Malaita. They really share about the detailed stories about the tribe to this program, but I have tambu story I have secret story so but me no like able to capture them on camera because it's their story and it's who they are. So yeah, it's really good for hearing message from Premier National MP Blocketa for Talemota need for unite, and only you if you unite, but tribes have a walk towards changes and development law land Blocketa law of NFT law Kwaio. Yeah, so that is the key takeaway from this reconciliation, but it's a good example for other tribe in Solomon Island for also waka follow as well and look for them too how Mr. Unite and for development land blaming, and if you mean like development land blaming you must unite no go to me like waka bata land dispute go ahead and me agi follow you. So yeah, this is Buma in West Kwaio. It's a Catholic station. Yeah, thanks for watching, and yeah, bye for now. Please do subscribe to my channel.